What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Los Angeles. Well, I guess I'm always out in Los Angeles, but out in East LA. Do got a Nike outlet here. They be tripping sometimes. Let's see if they trip today. All right, gonna be as low key as I can. Probably talk a little lower too. Remember, this is the only Nike outlet in the Los Angeles area that does have a refurbished section. So that's kind of why I want to check it out. All right, let's see what happens. All right, they do have the Nike refurbished section here and the clearance section right here, and then also got that 20% off. So yeah, let's see what we find. Of course, we are gonna start with the refurbished. Oh, this ain't even refurbished. What the hell? 50 bucks. Box confused me. You got Super Rep 2, size 10, go for $60. Everybody seems to have these Zoom poles, go for 20. Bang. Look at this. Look at this. Look how look how this don't make sense. Hold up. So the refurbished one, gently worn, go for $60. And then look, the brand new one, exact same colorway, brand new one going for $16. So what is that? $48 versus $16. How does that make sense? How does that make sense? New one cheaper than the gently worn one. Okay. Air Force One premiums are these? Yeah, these are the Halloween ones. What? That's pretty fire, dude. You can see all that stuff that glows in the dark, I believe. That's dope. I can't believe they have these. That doesn't look like it's been worn. Maybe it has, I don't know, but I don't know, but you do get it. It's a 130, you do get it for 20% off. That's pretty fire, pretty fire. That is dope, seeing stuff that's sold out everywhere. Do get to get these for 20% off. That's not bad. Do got these Nike Go Fly E's, go for $120. Super limited at one point. Now we're seeing these everywhere. Okay, get it for 20% off. They got Nike Offline. Like, I thought these were just slides, but they have shoe versions as well. I did not know that. Okay, comes with the extra super thick insoles. Go for retail $120. The slides are $130 now though. Okay. So you got these LeBron Palmers right here. Damn, dude, the LeBron 9 lows going for $2. So you do get a discount at least. 10.5 Phantom Run React Flyknits go for $70. You do get that 20 off. So under $60. That's how cheap. Long Jump Elites. Damn, really particular shoes. $60. Specifically for long jump, I guess. Oh wow, these are actually. Oh, I think these are actually worth a lot because it does have that Zoom Air underneath. So it helps you jump super long. Oh my goodness, I've never even seen these. Okay. More of these. I've been seeing more and more of these, as I've said. Now, what are these? Some Converse? $75? I don't even know what they are. The CTA Street Boot High? Okay. 75 bucks. Moving up to the 11s. We've seen these a few times now. $53, I believe. Yeah, 53 bucks. Gently worn blazers with corduroy on the side. Like, I've never really seen these anywhere else, just here. That's dope. 53 bucks, size 11. More of these. Go for 120. More soldiers. Go for 120. 11.5, $72 for those. These are like new. Packets of 37s. Infinity Rough Flyknit. Oh wait, these are no damn Infinity Rough Flyknits. What the hell? Okay. Some Huarache 8 Elites. Pretty sure these go for more than, I don't know. It's the lower end. I don't know. $78 for those. Janowski Canvas going for $43. That's like new. Alpha Fly Next Percent's going for $220. Do got some Air Max 97s right here. Go for retail. I've never seen this one. That's definitely interesting. Okay. Is that? I was like, is that like the glow in the dark material on the bottom right there? I don't know. Don't know. $190 for those. This is size 13. Jordan 1 Low Golfs right here with that extra premium material. The extra high price tag too though, because I think, yeah, $140 for these. Okay. I got the wrong size on those things, and I'm so mad. Size 12. Size 13 ADG Golfs right here go for $140. Zoom Tigers go for $70 right here. Size 13. Air Force One mids. Got a couple of those. Go for retail. $140. These are like extra premiums. Size 14 Vaporfly Next Percent's go for $1.25 with that 20% off. That's just as cheap as the clearance store. That's what's up. Size 14, got some all white ones as well. I guess I got some gray on it. $125 for those too. I got a couple of huge sizes, $185 for those, size 18. Don't see much 15s right now. Size 9.5 right here. It's like a Optimus Prime colorway right here, go for $120. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $140. Some clean looking blazers, all suede, go for $100. Damn, these are fire, dude. Suede is so nice too. Okay, all right, wait, hold up. Oh, okay, all right, long hair suede, $100, size 9. More 9.5 Air Max 95s, $190 though retail. Size 8 to get these trainers on sale. That's freaking fire. $120 though. You do get that 20% off. Some Air Force One boots going for $120. Oh, these are normally $160, so that's fire. Size. All right, kind of the same old with the smaller sizes. Let's check out the walls, you guys. Let's check out the aisles. All right, these Benassi slides, super hard as a rock. $15 for those. But look at the comfort slides. These are the ones with the more comfort on them. $12. Got so many different kinds, a few different colorways. Hydro slides right here, a couple of those. And then this one's not bad. I think Snipes or somebody ordered me one of these by accident. I ordered a bunch of stuff and they threw one of these in. I think I did pay for it though. But yeah, do got memory foam on these. No arch support though, but do got memory foam. $30 for those, normally $45. Oh snap, I did miss the Jordan section, but not really, because it is the Jordan Access. Multiple colorways. Holy crap, look at that. So many Jordans, but still not really the Max Auras. And the lift offs right there. LeBron's starting to make their way to the outlets. We saw these on sale for one. Oh, it wasn't this colorway though. No, it wasn't. It was a blue one. But yeah, that's nice to see, because I think these are dope. If I could find one on sale, probably get one. The Soldiers, Witnesses, bunch of those. Solid price for that one. Flytrap 4s. Another one of those. PG5s right here. This colorway is actually pretty dope. The black and white Oreo colorway. Got some boots right here. The Realtree boots. Okay. No discount. We don't need them in California, but okay. Oh, in Southern California. Got the React Lives right here. That's the cheapest we've seen in those. It is encased React. But that's hella cheap, wow. Classic colorway of the Blazers right here. Air Max 2017, ton of these colorways. I don't think I've seen so many at one spot. 5 different colorways. Price way too high though. Yeah, what the hell, dude? And they're trying to get regular price on these. I throw these on the clearance wall, dude. What the hell, dude? That's jacked up, trying to get regular price. Came to the women's section, dude, got some dunks. But this is one of those double ones. There's a premium 180 or 145 for these. Look, it is all suede though. In fact, that crack leather, oh my god, would y'all stop using that on everything? Holy crap. Damn, Mama Manier, look what you guys started, man. What the hell? But yeah, it does have that logo in the back. I don't know what the hell it is, but it does have it on the back. Okay, it's a premium for 145, size 12. In the women's section, I forgot I'm in the women's section. I'm so dumb. Yeah, women, size 12. 10.5 men's. Zoomfly 4, size 10, go for 96. Air Max 2017 women's. I didn't know they make women's and men's sizes. Okay. 165 for those, so not worth it. Not really seeing much. I really want to check out the Refurbished section. At least 72 for these Super Up 2s, size 9. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for 125. That's actually a really good deal. Wow. Alphafly Next Percent's going for regular price 285. That's the new price point now. Wow. More of these Vaporfly Next Percent's right here, go for 133 on this one. This is size 8. Yeah, I'm looking around, just not seeing much. Not seeing much in the women's thing. Dude, got 30% off clearance apparel. Just not finding much though. Nike t-shirts going for $20. These are all smalls. More of these right here. Easy Buckets going for 15. That's a medium, by the way. 20 for these. This is an XXL. Therma Fit right here. Yeah, this is one of the premium materials. Size medium going for $100. That is retail price, but do get 30% off. Hoodie right here, 80 down to 80. It's like all regular price. What the hell, dude? You get 30% off, but yeah, this is a small waffle knit. I do love waffle knit stuff. 40 down to 30. This is a small. Oh, and I did forget to tell you do need to check out the front counters. I did check it when I first came in. There wasn't much. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, let's move on to the next spot. Damn, look at that. Move on to the next spot. All right, there is a Foot Locker just right down the street, literally right across the street. See what they got here. Do got a decent Jordan section here. Okay, okay. Do got the 13s, 7s, then the green beans. Got a few, got a few. That's all in terms of retros. Okay. Pegasus on sale. That's just as cheap as the outlets. Okay. This is definitely not a Pegasus 36. This is a 37. Okay. My bad. Actually, that one's a 38. Both of these are 38s. The upper's different. And these, they haven't dropped the price on these yet. Drop them a little bit more and I'll cop. Fitted hats down to $20. That's actually really good. Ooh, what the heck? Normally $75. Down to freaking 25 bucks? Or $20. Oh my goodness, look, they have a ton too. Wow, all kinds of sizes. 7/3, that's my size. Wow. These Lakers was on sale, you know I'd be on those. These are only $45, but they're not on sale though. Wow, wow. These on sale too, I know people be on these. 65 down to 50. All right, I'm kind of whatever about those. Single digits, nice to say single digits. I like it, I like it. I think we saw a bunch of these at the outlets. Dang, this is still not on. Man, these have been out forever. Why is this one not on sale? I've got mine for 60 bucks. Yeah, dude. And got some classics. The Jurassic Park series right here. Man, this nice suede. $100 down to 60. Like really nice suede, actually. Wow. And then these bad boys right here. I've seen them on sale a bunch of times. And this Workout Plus, I don't think I've seen this suede Workout Plus. This is super nice. You know I'm paying $90 for these, but the suede, I'm a big fan of that suede. Then if I could find this one on sale, like that leather is just so premium on these. $85 for those. All right, I think that's about it. All right, on to the next one. All right, guys, not the craziest trip. You know, I try to go to Foot Locker, try to get some additional information, or try to get some additional footage. Yeah, just not the greatest. Some trips are gonna be like that. Some trips gonna be crazy. Some trips gonna be pretty mediocre. This was one of the more mediocre ones. You know, it happens, you guys. It is what it is. But you gotta keep checking. You know, I got here, what, an hour and a half? Wait, maybe 2 hours. Maybe 2 hours right after they opened. No, I think it was an hour and a half after that. But yeah, but didn't really see much. It is what it is. Yeah, hopefully the next one's a better one. We'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Y'all know I be going out anytime. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.